good afternoon, Melissa.
Good afternoon, Miss. Good afternoon, Miss.
How are you today?
I'm good. I'm
Fine.
I'm fine.
All right. So, are you ready for speaking test?
Yes.
Okay. Today we are going to have speaking test about cleaning supplies. Okay. So, begin with the first one. What do you use?
I use broom.
Do you have broom?
Yes, I do.
What is it for?
It is for sweeping the floor.
Okay. And what do you use?
I use feather duster.
Do you have feather duster?
Yes, I do.
What is it for?
It is for cleaning dust.
All right. And then what do you use?
I use dustpan.
Do you have dustpan?
Yes, I do.
What is it for?
It is for collecting dirt.
Good job. And then what do you use?
I use trash can.
Do you have trash can?
Yes, I do.
What is it for?
It is for
Throwing.
throwing away the rubbish.
Good job. And then what do you use?
I use sponge.
Do you have sponge?
Yes, I do.
All right. So what is it for?
It is for cleaning, washing dishes.
Okay. And then what do you use?
I use mop.
Do you have mop?
Yes, I do.
What is it for?
It is for mopping the floor.
Good job. What do you use?
I use broomstick.
Do you have broomstick?
Yes, I do.
What is it for?
It is for sweeping the yard.
Good job. What do you use?
I use bucket.
Do you have bucket?
Yes, I do.
What is it for?
It is for carrying the water.
Okay. And then what do you use?
I use squeegee.
Do you have squeegee?
No, I don't.
All right. How about this one? What do you use?
I use trash bag.
Do you have trash bag?
Yes, I do.
What is it for?
It is for
Collecting.
rubbish.
Good job. And then what do you use?
I use scrub brush.
Do you have scrub brush?
Yes, I do.
What is it for?
It is for scrubbing the floor.
Good job. And then what do you use?
I use cleaning cloth.
Do you have cleaning cloth?
Yes, I do.
Okay. The last one. What is it? What do you use?
I use gloves.
Do you have gloves?
No, I don't.
All right. What is it for?
It is for
Protecting.
protecting hands.
Good job. Okay. Next, Melissa, I have many pictures here. So can you take a trash can, please?
Yes, miss. Here, miss.
All right. Thank you. That's nice. It is trash can. And then can you take a mop, please?
Yes, miss. Here, miss.
All right. Thank you. That's nice. It is mop. And then can you take gloves, please?
Yes, miss. Here, miss.
That's nice. Good job. Thank you. Yes, it is gloves. Okay, next question is what do we use for cleaning the window?
Cleaning cloth.
No. Cleaning the window.
Squeegee.
Good job. And then what do we use for throwing away rubbish?
Trash can.
Okay. And then what do we use for carrying water?
Bucket.
Okay. And then what do we use for scrubbing the floor?
Scrub brush.
Yes, that's nice. And then the last one, what do we use for collecting dirt?
Dustpan.
Good job, that's nice. Thank you so much for answering all the questions. Now let's say goodbye together. Goodbye.